so in this section, these are all mixed up. So you kind of have to pay attention to what you have to figure out which one of your formulas you need. So this is the length of a diagonal of a square. So here's my square. The diagonal is 8 square root of 2. Find the length of one side of the square. Well, I have to know that if this is a square, then these are 45, 45, 90s. So if this is 8 square root of 2, that is my x square root of 2 equals 8 square root of 2. So that tells me x equals just 8 on both sides. Okay. Equilateral triangle, here we go, is an equilateral triangle, has the side of one side is 11. Okay. 11. Ooh, this is a good question. Find the altitude. Well, altitude is the height. Okay, and if this was an equilateral, then these are 60. This one becomes 30. This one is my opposite to 90, so that's 2x. I need to figure out x. What I really need is the x squared to 3. Okay, x is pretty simple to find. You're going to divide by 2. X equals 11 over 2. Okay, so x squared to 3 is going to be 11 over 2 squared to 3. You can leave it like that, or you can say that the altitude, I'm not going to call it x because that might get confusing. The altitude is 11 squared to 3 over 2. That might be a better way to write it. Okay. Perimeter of a square is 40. Man, making you apply some really basic geometry things. This is a square. Tells me all these sides are 90. Which means, and all the sides are equal, so if the perimeter is 40, and I have 4 sides, that tells me each side is going to be 10, right? 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 40. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 40. Again, here's your diagonal. This is a 45, 45, 90. So this side needs to be x square root of 2. So that diagonal is going to be 10 square root of 2. Okay. Another one here. If it has these sides labeled as equal, then I know that these must be 45. This one's opposite, so that's my x square root of 2. If I want to find x, I need to divide 6 by the square root of 2. Again, we don't like that, so multiply by the square root of 2 over the square root of 2. That's 6 square roots of 2 over 2, or 3 square roots of 2. Okay. A couple more. Looking at the back. Automatic. This is a 30, 60, 90. If this is 30, remember this side is x. This is 60. This side is x square roots of 3. This side is 2x, because that's my 90. So again, if this equals that, then x is going to equal 6 divided by the square root of 3. We don't like that, so multiply by the square root of 3 over the square root of 3. That's going to be 6 square roots of 3 over 3. Or 2 square roots of 3. So this side is going to be 2 square roots of 3. This side is going to be 4 square roots of 3 when you multiply it by 2. All right, one more. Oh yeah, this is a good question. Once you find all the missing sides, so I'm going to start here. This one's 45. That tells me this one's also 45 because this is going to be 90. So if this is 8, this is again my x square root of 2. So I'm going to divide 8 by the square root of 2 to figure out both LU and SU. I'm going to go ahead and write that down. LU equals SU equals what I'm fixing to figure out. I don't like this. Multiply by the square root of 2 over the square root of 2. 8 square roots of 2 over 2, or 4 square roots of 2 is both of those sides. Using this other one, this is a 30. This must be 60 if this is 90. Okay, so I just found that this side right here is 4 square roots of 2. That's going to be my x of my 30, 60, 90 triangle. So if x is 4 square roots of 2, then SG is going to equal 2 times x, or 8 square roots of 2. Okay. UG is going to equal x times the square root of 3, x square root of 3. So 4 square roots of 2 square root of 3, or 4 square roots of 6. It's a good question.